So welcome back to a new vlog with Motorway and Beast. I'm Andy, Lisa, and the dog is currently licking my leg. It wants to probably go for OUT.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to Loch Ness, aren't we, Lisa?
We are.
We have stopped by.
That's where I was getting my phone.
George is a bit slow, so sometimes I'll pull in at a parking just to let people behind us go, even though the lorry that was behind us followed us in here, so there was no need to. But I'm glad we did, because the reason why I'm glad we did is that. Look at that. That is one vista.
That is. I'm going to take a camera out there.
I mean, that is just beautiful. Look at it.
It is.
It's just Scotland does not disappoint. Every single corner you turn around,
There's something
like
more glorious.
you're just showing off now, kind of thing, and it gets to a point where you just can't film everything. You can experience it, but filming it, you just can't do it all the time. But
this is the Commando Memorial up there.
Commando Memorial. So I'm guessing all these people here are commandos. They're from the. There's a gathering of people. They look super fit. They're all wearing the same sort of clobber, PE sort of now, and I'm guessing they're from the army. Kind of makes sense.
I'm trying to think what it's called.
Um,
I'm going to have to just take.
Yeah, they definitely look sort of PE kind of people.
Right. I'm going to take a photo up there. But the trouble is, I want to wait till people have gone because I've got pyjamas on.
I don't think people will give a rat's ass whether you go up there in a bikini.
Yeah. I mean, the views, it just takes your breath away.
It does. And that's a song by
Berlin.
Berlin.
I'm trying to think what it's called. So it's a bronze statue featuring World War II commandos.
Yes.
I'm trying to think what it's called.
So I'm going to wait till she gets back and
Yeah.
I might get the drone up.
Yes, yes.
So,
In fact, you can do the drone now if you want to. Yes, do the drone now.
Okay.
And then it'll give you a chance then people to go.
So you might see a drone now, and then you might see a bit from her.
Walking up there.
And this will be like a short little vlog, a little intro vlog to Loch Ness.
Yeah, on our way.
Yes. So,
Beautiful. Every corner we turn.
and
it's
every
just-
breath you take,
I'll be watching you.
I'll be watching them. You lot stay safe and I'll see you later.
pulled up at a car park and he's got a drone up, and we've just come across his statue, Commando Memorial for the soldiers of World War II. And he's going to show you drone view, but I thought I'd bit difficult with Peanut, but look at that. Got all the poppies around. That is absolutely beautiful. Let me get back a bit, and you got all the view in the background. That is awesome. Peanut's wanting to have a sniff about. So if I can go back a little bit. I'm not sure if I got you all in. It's in the frame. But that is a beautiful what is it? Monument, statue for the Second World War. I'll just do a little bit. There's people waiting, I think, to do their pictures. That's gorgeous. Right then, I'm going to go down here because Peanut has been a little devil, ain't ya? That is, let's do a final shot. All around this beautiful view. I mean, every corner is literally turning Scotland. It's beautiful. Come on then. Very nice. Step Peter around here. So I shall do a little short on that myself in a moment. And he's going to have Peanut. So I'll catch you in a minute. So toodle-poo.